Okay, so welcome back. In the last 4 weeks, I got over 140,000 tokens from this crazy crypto node. Okay, now how much they going to worth? How much money we're going to make? And that's the real question what everybody needs to ask. So check this out. This is today date, okay? 2nd of May, when I'm doing this video, when you watch will be a little bit later, of 2024, I have 143,000. This is the license 401 till 405. I have 5 crypto nodes. Okay, check this out. Okay, just listen. Now if you go back, let me just go back here. It's there we go. Check the date, 11th of April. Okay, that's around not even 4 weeks ago, like 3.5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I have 3,200. There we go. License number 401, 402, 403, 4 and 405. So it's the same license number, and in only 3.5 weeks I got over 140,000. Just imagine if the token, when the token is launched, the token is not even out yet, you get the node, it's virtual node, you don't need to do anything. You can buy on Polygon chain, Arbitrum chain, Optimism. That's the beautiful stuff. And do you know what? It's only cost $270. Now it was 170 when I bought it, and that was 4 weeks ago, 3.5 weeks ago. But the Ethereum price today is cheap, so what's mean it costs 270. Otherwise it will be 009 Ethereum. Doesn't matter of the price of the Ethereum. So if the price of Ethereum go 20% up, well, the price will be 20% up. So that's the beautiful stuff here, because now it's extremely cheap and early according to me. They started to sell tier 5, and that's crazy. Okay, so let me just go back. What's NaviAI? Okay, so you're renting your GPU, but they have, this will be on Solana. I did a full video just a couple of weeks ago. Go and watch the video. I highly suggest that. The interesting stuff here is, what I like about this project is, because as my other nodes, you buy and you forget. It's virtual node. You don't need to run anything. What's make easier, and it's a passive income for me. So usually when you get a node in your mind, you need to put, okay, I'm going to ROI in about 5-6 months time. But here I think we are extremely early. It's tier 5, yes. However, we're still earning a lot of tokens, and we're going to go to the price very short. Okay, so it's a new ecosystem powered by Navi Labs. Now if you go to their Twitter, I'm going to leave the link down in the description. You will see that April 27, just a couple of days ago, big announcement, tier 4 license sold out, tier 5 now it's available, and we are thrilled to announce that over 2100 tier 4 has been sold out in only 9 days. Well done. So what's new? They say next week, what will be this, or the week after, we'll be beginning releasing new features to our license holders. Pack your bags and await our good news. Okay, good. So that's very good. Okay, so they are very active, by the way. If you go to their Twitter, you will see they're extremely active. 25th, 26th, 27th, 30th. They have pretty much every 1 or 2 days some posts. Now the other things you need to understand, that here when I mention nothing is financial advice. If this one is gone tomorrow, okay, what's mean I'll be sad, but I will don't cry a lot. I'll just cry a little bit. What's mean, don't put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, that's the golden rule. I bought 5 nodes, but I team up with somebody. So me and one of my teams, okay, we team up and we bought these nodes. That's the thing. If you cannot afford to buy by yourself, maybe you have somebody who is good with you, who is you trust him, okay, and then maybe you can team up and buy a couple of more, or just buy one for yourself. Okay, so we team up, we got 5 nodes, and now we're earning a good tokens. Now again, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Okay, only risk capital. I don't know who they are, I don't know the team. What's mean, I only put risk capital. Okay, so it's not a big deal for me, it's not a huge deal. Yes, I'll be sad, but hey, it is what it is. Now it's crypto. Now, so this is the website. Okay, if you want to get the node, click the link down in the description. You're going to come to this website, you go claim node, and then here you can pick up from any chain you want. I use Polygon. You can use Arbitrum, Base, or Optimism. They're extremely cheap for the fees. Don't use Ethereum, doesn't make sense. If you go to Polygon, make sure you have Matic. Okay, here is 420 Matic at this moment. when I'm doing this video. And also make sure you have some Matic left for the fees. Also on Arbitrum, make sure you have some Ethereum. Now the other things you need to understand here is, let me just go and do the math. How much we going to get? Maybe potential. So if the price is only 1 cent, I was just doing the math. So if I have 140,000, probably by when so the token is not even out yet. It's coming in the next few weeks, couple of months. I don't know that. So when the token is coming out, they're going to have some staking probably and all that stuff. Now the white paper is pretty big. Go and read it. So if the price is 0.01, okay, if the price is only 1 cent, okay, only 1 cent, 0.01 cents, I'm going to make 1,400 if the token going out today. Okay, now but if the price is double than that, so half a cent, so 0.005, okay, 0.001, so 0.005, then I'm going to make 700 bucks, and that's how much I spent to get the nodes. So my plan is hopefully I can ROI, but I think how the things go, maybe I'm going to have around 200,000 tokens. I will stake some and I can sell 150,000 and I can ROI and make more money, and maybe I can buy more nodes and so on and so on. So that's up to you. Again, you know, this is NaviAI. Go and check them out, do whatever you want. I just want to give you some update because few people ask me how many tokens I'm getting and so on and so on, and here you are. I give you the proof how much tokens I made so far in only almost 3.5 weeks. So here you will see the world first AI IDE optimizer for blockchain. Okay, so go and check them out. You can see here they already have their product. You can do your image, okay, with AI, LLM model, Navi GPT, and so on and so on. In the documents you can go and find out everything what they're saying. And if you want to get, by the way, I'm using Uniswap, you know, for Matic, for the Polygon network. If you want to swap some money right there, okay. If you go to the white paper, okay, this is interesting. So now they're in tier 5. It says the price is 0.09, but how more they sell, the price go up. So when I get in, it was 0.04, so double cheaper than now, but I pay 170 because the Ethereum price was up. Okay, so now the Ethereum price is cheap and it's new tier, so pretty much you're getting on discount. If Ethereum price went to 4,000, well, you're paying much more. So this is the tier, you need to be aware of it. More they sell, okay, more tokens they sell, more nodes, sorry, they sell, less tokens we get, and also the price is more expensive. Again, don't be late to the party, and this will be NaviAI is the first blockchain layer for AI modeling, training, and self-learning. It's more cost efficient and ensure no more AI bias. All right. Good. All right, that's about it. I don't want to keep you too long. Have a great day wherever you are. If you have any question, ask them in their social media. Again, I don't know the team. I don't know anybody. I just jump in. I like nodes. I like passive income, and I'm trying to get up to put my feet in more pies because you never know how their token's going to blow up. All right, thank you so much. God bless. See you in the next one.